Yeah, it's heavy. I don't know why they keep sleeping on me, man. Let me wake them up. Flow sick, man, I been high. I serve a guy who the dopest. Hopeless, what I used to be. Now I'm moving packs of that potent pressure. If love is a drug, I need extra. I don't look to people, look to the one who poured and don't even measure. Killing beats give me pleasure. Please call the medic, this beat came to me on a stretcher. In the lab, I step to the mic and feel like I'm Dexter. I'm a man, dark world, but I'm still shining like treasure. Yeah, I got joy like ha ha ha. Wait, and I can't wear smiles, that's fake. Then I'm between love and strong. Hate clock says no time for mistakes. Ring the alarm, sirens go off, but I'm calm. My life resides in his palm. Submit to my pops, respect for my mom. Honor them both, so my life will be long. Third time, get the charm of the third strike. Had to turn my back on the street life. Tears come down, both hands up, thinking about what life will be like. If I never change, mine stay the same. Stay playing games. Yeah, end up in a cell, free but a slave, or inside the grave. Used to dive in the pool of the hen dog. It was me and my bros to the end dog. Wasn't blood, but we was still kin dog. Was alive, but dead in my sin dog. I was heading down fast like an asteroid. I had a good heart, was a bad boy. I played girls like there was just toys. Gold was the poker, mine like Blastoise. I would chase girls to use them. I ended up getting used. It's crazy the things that you do will come back around and bite you. That is a mouthful to chew. Try not to choke, life ain't a joke. Why everyone hitting the snooze, sleeping on me, it's time you get woke, my God.
Famous.